How to create YouTube logo on Canva. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create YouTube logo on Canva. Firstly, let's just search up YouTube logo for reference. I'm just typing in YouTube logo on my web browser. Now I'm simply going to copy this image and take it to Canva for reference. Copy the image from the web browser and paste it in your project. Now let's create a logo that looks exactly like this. Go to Elements tab from the left panel. Now there are different shape builders which you can use. Right now I have selected this rectangular shape. If you want, you can go to See All option and look at other options. Just to show you guys, I'm also gonna select another shape. Once we have placed the red rectangle, we just need to place the white triangle in middle. So let's just select the triangular shape. After selecting the triangular shape, go to the color option from the top panel. Change the color to white color. Now drag it to the center. You will see the rotating icon at the bottom. Click on it and rotate the triangle. Now resize it and place it in the middle. And just like that, YouTube logo has been created. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.